again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find your CapCut save projects on PC. So in here, I've already opened the CapCut projects on my computer, and as you guys know that the CapCut PC is auto save, so it will automatically save any changes or any progress on your projects. And if you want to find the projects file, so what you need to do is don't click on the video, click on the space. So I'm going to click on here until this details show up, and in here you can see path option. So this is where I can find the my CapCut project. So I'm going to just click on the file explorer, then I'm going to go to this file. So I'm going to go to the users folder, this one, and then videos, and select CapCut drafts, this one. So my project is 0525. So this is my projects that I want to find before. If you click on it, there will be this projects file that I want to find. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.